fan into my pifra 21st clinic dear not your mudia now one zampa ejuma de omo eyebiye papa ewo Ghana wiase afana nyina ene abibrima ni nyina ne se ze otisi atika ho nkoma na jesaiti se ne Real Madrid de Champions League no ya na eyenuanom omo enam ni nyina ene so omo na abo mode ayhwemu a ye choko ya befa so asiatica obenya ahoden na so no wetimi ananti ye na ne enko kofamba so oba na wabebe budi agu form na tedie omaye research na hudie deba aye research na hudie ye de beso ano a ebebo na wagi anaso nti ya maame ne ye papa mo a ya mukodwa mokokokoko transiche na mepacho ebedu bebi no bonso sisi echiwo bebi no enti na twetwon etwetwa na romo to echiwo bebi eromo hye echiwo one way debi no o baba bebu na munkomo no o tepe no won say 21st can for na ehwe na ya boa na nhyehyɛ na koye kama pa etimi era mana bibia enso adeda yi etimi ediama na senete yesi no baba be romo maso ya omo ebo adwuma enye no nko yawa ahodo na ebi ti say stroke hypertension na fisu kra no zenei no owo ya ye bia di say haw no urama bidron kote ye be na ya boa na ya hwe na nso no wetimi nya ya so mo lab kese a okwa ye dosodo so bebi a ye ne hye na ya cho se de be fa so a oso no obetimi abomode nya ya isa nya no nko scan services no omo ye no omo massage ne dio ano edempa Friday bia de wopon adwuma okofie no na wato afa ho ye be massage abomode de machine treatment no etimi akan is the last time I call no me wie na ma feel brutal na ma uzampa me ho no esisi me ho si ye papa 21st kene bomode edi se adwuma die na eboa mantoto na koyi so etimi edi amanti apomde no ebe wie pe anado ho abomo ndwuma po mo bo e wo Ghana anti more than 15 branches baby a omo eye adwuma Kumasi overseas junction on Benafro radio obo asoro woni chiemo council court so a court junction ubenya omo Accra Dome market omo ye adwuma baby ti se sunyane enkranza na fetechima no so no omo ho a omo bodwuma so ye papa edi form number no ne omo nkasa yaye ya obi nsu benya na efi yaye na wanton yaye so a unya no adru ni mpemfo ni nkomo ne yempoa na na sunya ahode ma ne manko ye mfa ma no ne fo edi adanse entu wo Ghana na pomde no ewie pia number ni 0249 311 0249 311 and a 0540 311 0540 311 niambwa na niamanko ye kama pa etimi emfa ema sedani bi sonko etimi emfa ema Sompa sika promotion makase dani de nyina onzi atrase ye bo adwuma boa ma nema de ye pa etimi era ma na do ho ahyemu bi na waba betwa no wadi ni kufu nture fa code no na fato anope bi ewura mu 9:30 na pe na washa asera wutwa na se nete star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash Sompa sika promotion no wenye du fie du wotwe a uram ya wo Sompa Kumasi wapomode afa no ba ko 5 Ghana city watwa nrudo metimi ade agumo yo Sompa sunyane mo amon patamu no no so babomode na mafo na matwa de agumo ne yo Sompa nkranza eno zo mo amon bunu east no mo betimi afo no matwa de agumo na aboa ama ne ma ko yie pretimi ramantu code no star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na aboa na hye no adeda ye kama pa so no etimi edi amount na sidari bi so nkwanfa ma obo Herbal and Medical Research Center o madaro ma esi afa na koma no nsensem no ye bre ne aboa no wagia wona so na ne ma adeda ye pa etimi era ma na munkomo na ede na afa hye no se resitie no yeso nyinye nsunsuanso no ahwe entimi entu anama dabi no ekwa kofa ha etimi era bra koma ne gina na dwumadi no etimi esi na senete yesi uyobi a ewa utine taipai obonze ya na wakoma no ebo ntentem mujabro so de no agimu obonze owa na esa anansi acho nan na afi unsa ewa esa wabre na afi so wa otise wakoma no na chese ho no hihyu yie papa na wani suchini wa ene ramu na obo Herbal Medical Research Center be na ya boa na so no nya afa hodie enye no nko ya wa ne bitise hepatitis ebize diabetes opeba onya binam yare adokro typhoid fever edunya o kidney mu haw ana osa ni na re etimi edun djuma amobo modin bu adwuma joda bia ekokosi memenda na ropano eye nonso 7 am de ko ekoko rama nwumre no numabo etimi era pan mu 5:30 pm ti no fa number we na nkomodidie bia ene mpemfo ndini ere ne mbo ananema endeda yepa etimi e farma 0257 472-506 0257-472-506 na 0249-761-508 0249-761-508 niambwa na hyehyɛ and the year fama nti omadaroma ye rama ye didi din komana aboa na bibia enso etimi akoyie na momyahwe the Black Stars of Ghana na omukɔ kokodru Comoros mpata mo first training na etimi ram ne sere hyehyɛ no esi atie no join na ahwe a owuzampa hono nya de keto akra ni nyina ne se ni breso era na ye de rama RS nyambo chena ye bomode na the World Cup qualifier Mexico Canada US 2026 no yebetimi abo adwuma na abo amantoto no akoye kama pa etimi edi amerintimu nkomo no era onze Jordan are you on ready there you era onze Fatah Hamidu na fi eno nanche no other guys no omakeka na amade aboma omwese bibia be da yi so no etimi edi amomo no omodwom na so abo adwuma na hyehyɛ na akoye kama pa etimi edi amerintimu nkomo no era na ye de dan ho na abo na bibia akoye pa edi amane no na no pe no yenya ntie se Daniel Amate obu ejumere Besiktas boku no yesi Amate kokoko late fitness test no wa feli ntia no cheze yen game ochna ye ni Comoros de bebo ani no Daniel Amate ntimi emba me jamu bu ejuma bi ntimi emfa ma my God ochna game no eye don nan na mun komo ne sere hyehyɛ no esiete any de ram no eye game e da yakoma so ye papa because after say ye bo mo de etimi eche Madagascar man no etimi etwa omo no e was ye ram ne ekɔ konkoden na ye timi enya sarin we na boama ne ma ededa ye pretimi element nkomo no enso cheze ne ye brasia bomode na 4 p.m. Ghana time game ne be koso no yakwa akurama wo mu stadium na yakwa akutreni e ho no me no ye mandate training na oro ani chemo CAF ni FIFA so ya o ma bomode etimi ho hyehyɛ ya ni nyina mu na eboa na ntotoe no etimi ada ye pa etimi ediament ye sa prepe e na mu nkomo no esiete no nso no ye de eda ho na aboa na bibia akoye pa etimi era ma na ye fi ono yenko enkokodi nkomo akra enso ewo ye Premier League no matches eje pene etimi ekɔso weekend yi oro ani chemo Brecum Golden City Park Chelsea ye transfer ne bomode echi Legon Cities ebo meka bako a omo entimi anti after the game no pay perfect Christopher Enning onu ne coach Edema Brecum Chelsea in common no say no bomode di ediche.
Now we are comfortable. I'm really getting upset with the fans because it started last season. I won almost all my home games and the away was not coming. They started complaining. Coach cannot win away. And I started winning away, we struggled at home, they are complaining. So just imagine, I only have to forget about them and focus and get my 3 points. Because it doesn't matter whether you play ugly and get your points. The way I play home and away and get my points is what I'm going to focus now on the team. See, now we are comfortable.
Anti amoya command prepare for Christopher N in a bomb de tuja ni na mo na boa ma ne madeda ye pa etimi ereben tu tie en common in chimo de eba na jezonye comfortable with the fans or ejuma ye ne medu edu bebia ya na kasa twie no ne ade no ya ade doso ye wo papa na so ni na mo no ohwe na wa bomode abo ejuma na aboa na bibia akoye pre etimi ra mo game no so no ebi eru mo kuma se baba sports stadium no so no emu common na no edempa krobia ejomo na so ebomode etimi ehye ba ko a tima je from mediama epimsu bi aka no omo entimi anti na penalty na Sharif Mohammed ebomoden etimi convert na mun komo no ena na ewura mo ena ne pin pair friend Evans Augustine Adoti edidi din komo ena ebi dazo pin na ne ohwe sere ne mesi ko ne penalty eje etimi editi amono de na beka ere afa won se no so ebomoden echeche nseni mu che.
One coach may complain on referees. Sometimes, Ubetu was standing, even confronting the match commissioner. It was obvious. Go no, now say so. Me share me feeling. Emma referees. First one no, penalty in the by no. I was looking at the line one no. Referee hesitated. I saw John J. But at the time now, I anticipated saw Bebe penalty now no. Line one no. And we are the referee question the line on Saturday say move towards that end. I went there to inquire from the line one why I say a penalty because we will say push from outside the box. Player no dive call penalty area. Referee man calls me coach referee. Oh, me come and handshake. It is we are rather me player and on referee kasa. Me call Kopata and say no, it's here. Man confronted the referee after the game. I was saying me so
Tiano ya command a pimpa bomb di 8 year fan in a bois. Man, Yamadida Dimpa, no Coco Jinchimu, Eddie Fiastan referee on a Yano Crest after the game no, or Timia confront to referee no yan come bomb day. Eddie 2 after no go Moshea, and non so manjano didn't come a craft and I see no dinsemo, a 2 Jeremiah.
Well, me one coach, me complain on referees. Sometimes, Obetu was standing, even confronting the match commissioner. It was obvious, go no. Now, because me who said, Kotoko player should go, and go no. It came from a rebound against the upright. Ball no coming to Kamara and no attack ball. There was a Kotoko player in the goal. Until why offside? Until I make us say, me here say make us say, but to be a better clip no. And now near ACB, I'm my stadium. But me say make us officiate.
Elti anunsi ya komo bomo de tuja di efa gwa ni Roma Muamane Mandela yeso no amfa mo every pine kwede ma Chief Justice Nkuku Blay na mizi pranti watrancha cha akra na ene wasia ban after the game say no so bomo de din nkomo no etimi de che
ya unity ama yetimi aka ye ho abom ama yetimi enwini sa game win football sanity sometimes you lose sometimes you win sometimes you draw but when you lose then I say like leg no we free move but we still continue until yabada yam copas so timi aka ye ho abom ama yetimi edi nkoyim oh yeah yaba self supporters be say like amombo de na almost support team no ya sentiment dia we free man ye still I know ana wakoma wom tie like your bomb pay so keep on supporting yen na yintimi ye then and come me back
and our team unity, to say.
Oh, to say a team unity, no, it's okay for be a coaches, technical team, everybody, be a team, be okay.
Elti lawyer command your bobo de tujari de bois man ya madeda ye pray to me Justice Nkuku Blay and our bomo de didn't come bana ansem no mabana mababe twaso etimi ede amana boa ama bibia so no netimi adeda dadina mixer 5G na afi no mizo food drinks on GB no ya wakechi ni na assessments ye no na drinks ye di ewram ni abobo bia na aboa ma da ye pa etimi ede amantimu komo no na sere nema isi etie no drinks se wenye bi amba wakechi kakra ni na say mixer 5G ade ebe mo ahoden ana wa ye dwuma bi awia wa bre no nya bi na abo a ebo na we gijan na so na hyehyɛ na koyie pa etimi ede amana mun komo no ene sɛ de nema esi etie no your Ghana oma zenei no wa bomoden na jeza adwen na de bi nyane no grapes ne bomoden yam nema no ya ma na ye dwuma kan kan pa na jinsi ne yi ntini ma ebo ama wo gina wo na so ye mrema ne de kremi sisi no emu ye din tie no ye mixer 5G miso food drinks no organic fruit so ene abomoden etimi ede aye emu api ebi is orange mango apple pineapple melon and tunya bi na abo a wo se hye papa no so bo na we gya na sana ne makwenti ye na aba bedi to na aba de dodo na aba bi hye no mixer 5G miso food drinks no a era onya na abobo ebo ma ne ma da ye pa etimi ede ama na senete unye bi anu afa na man na nkomodi bi a wonim pinfo etimi edi 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 0558 106-348 0558 Manager Daniel our 21st Kennedy overseas okwa dodo na no benya no mama Esther at Com Royal Ventures no orwani na chemu anase Watra Baptist University boakwa no obomode agibi na PNC Ventures no awa no manji taxi station of Charity Hospital Junction no obenya bi na Sachi Enterprise no orwani chem ewo Asafo Abinchia of VIP car park no ye boana hyehyɛ na da ye pa etiniera mama me abese bra na bra be romo na so ye no mboa na gina wo na so na ne manko ye ntimi amfa ma ze ne o ye be ma wade ni so a o peso pejamu wade no wanya ha kakra ewo mu era fe low spend kan so ne wadwum tu de wa pia aba bia entimi emba e abe heba clinic nyame nam no so ye adwuma baby girls no so no ye se bosome so bu nsa na e kan odwe eno so echi no ya na niam anhyara nko ye mfa ma wan fio obe no wasie so betwa yopo we jaw na so na nema koyi pera ma se koko era na edunya era afia no nanche no uyo obi a o stomach ulcer na fabri dunya yobe na wabwa na twa ya ba ko a anim guasi ye papa wadu nipam no afi na babe no ni nyina na yade a nkitinkiti kra de ma abe heba clinic ma me be boa na we jaw na so na nema koyi pa etimi edi amount ko na ombo na sickle cell onsensem de eno so yade isu akra ni na za kwada na yesi onyindu bebia obefi mu no yesi na enye no kre ma me na so ye no obeboa na aba no egiana na so na nema koyi pera amount no pena ta no so apatrapa new site or apatrapa junction na ma no 0243 345 392 0243 345 392 and 0506 460208 0506 460208 Niambwa Nyanema de yepa etimi emfa emana me no kase a standing game no eguso a ekoso Accra Sports Stadium na munkomo no era ne coach efe Nurudin Amadu oginamu ere masa matters and on say this season no on the orkan so mpeso obewe na mum no niama de di no ba niaba be remo the top 4 na ebebo ama niama ko yepa etimi era ma no say na coach so ebo modia ne nkomo no die de che.
One thing is that we get good aspirations, we are ambitious, and that's fine. If we want to come to the party as a top 4, the percentage you can top 4 now, that is good. We have to work towards that. Okay, but when you set yourself some targets, I say we are not just say good. Yeah, because I say the percentage relegation. We will run to rough shoulders with the big clubs, but all the same, if we come as team, I can top 4. But we have to improve on their performance last season. Oh, that is good.
Etiano ya komane pimpano abomode etimiera tujabwa ma ne amadeda ti game nugu so koso na mamere samate so ma rival ne kakra na yenwe sere ne ma city akun omofa soko kokoro am Accra Sports Stadium to join na hwe a o se omo bass no na ne ababa bedua na omodi rom ebo ma ne amadadi pere ma yesi akan be se 17 minutes edi rom 18 minutes still a obi entimi emposo ne yonko atena ni nyina mo no ye hwe na ya bomode na vita odo na ye timi de rom kama pay the amana the ministry no e the krata bababaz Ministry of Youth and Sport krata no kinkan mu a ni na ye nra ni incident e kokokusi ye e wo Sunyan Coronation Park e na omo cheso omo condemn na ne omo reshi coach master do speedy recovery na ne ma bia e wo so omo ye e bo modern man kofo ye se tutu asem no yetimi e chi omo no mere na omo afaso na aboa ma ne ma deda ye pe timi ra me no omo ye no omo se Ghana sa nyam na asem no ya de ayen so enti de course so e wo Sunyan no Ministry of Youth and Sport na ba be condemn ya eno ye nkoma ba be rama no edin ye papa enti ma me kwa be ya fo ni nkoma Accra na akomya ni luta ada yumre mo wana mu say the Ghana Football Association discipline committee abomodin etimi de release biaba ni na zo mo say na no be ke Ashanti derby na course no Nations FC ne Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko yaze Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko omo supporters koda suban bi dia na omo gidi se entwa yi ene football mra no ebo ebra na omo transfer no yeton safre team no catch omo zo mu di for but on hwe omo nsem no omo nso omo di for
omo busa kotoko
e basa ye the charge na ball na wakoro yiwa no ni tere make kan what
so omo for hearing
but food ye CC after say bi omo basa ya twe omo so animu ya no e de de kwadu ne bebo na omo akwa yi omo no nti e no kwa bitim kazo no nya guilty e bitim ya tansa na e de abono so me guilty ya hwe ne aka but we no mo call mo so mo ndi for but omo so omo tra mo hwehwe mu no omo ze enya no kro mo di for na dia yeni ya fine kotoko 80,000 Ghana cedis
en kan
800 million se be boa sa penalty na 800 million no yesi sa sika na wo nyina de be ma Nations FC na omonema omo se no omo de asiniema na mu minim se me kan wo
ya te asepa
na boa ma nema ko yi ama na after no ana the Ghana Football Association discipline committee no HSE nkofo yo mudindidi sui
Isamadu
si yo mudindidi sui no ya bɔ mɔdi omo nso no ya twe omo so enti yawo Isa Amadu yaze Koroko game against Nations FC no abia mi ame chairman ze akomi chama okoro no anti ene okoro nkodi aba be rama Kotoko against Nations FC sa game no ana na de Tanzania bono Sheriff Mohammed eno se Kotoko against Nations FC ba we no omo indicate ma ya nke be bo we want Sheriff Mohammed for ni yetu ana omo Kotoko yo Sheriff Mohammed midfielder o Sheriff Mohammed defender and is omo indicate ma be din wan e Sheriff Mohammed now ze no so no Kotoko Nations FC Bechem United FC omo game against Insuacheman omo zo mo uzo mo under Suban Party wo ho and Bechem United FC omo game against Mediema and zo mo uzo mo under Suban Pa Brekum Chelsea FC omo game against Bibiani Gold Stars and zo before Chelsea omo uzo mo under Suban Pa na Bibiani Gold Stars omo game against Accra Heart Folk and zo mo uzo ankoye na Asante Kotoko FC omo game against Karela FC and Bibiani Gold Stars omo game against Pando Heart of Lions and Apia Makati remember that incident we will be akai Apia Makati game against Accra to Folk Ediana FC game against Great Olympics I'm say no na me ba be yi videos bi wo ha just Olympics for so omo ko eniema aduana for the omo for omo ani anje ho enti enu so na Dreams FC omo game against Mediema your Karela FC omo game against Bofo Akwata no Nations FC omo game against Asante Kotoko Insuateman FC omo game against Legon Cities Insuateman FC omo game against Bechem United
unless Insuateman kwa wo say
omo so abamienu omo ni Bechem United for
okay
and Abibienu Go Stars so wo mienu and a Real Tamale United almost one game against Pando Heart of Lions the am say za din we no any teams ya abo mu din wa no almost ye teams a omasem no mu ze almost aye niema bi ene football mra no ebrebra e de rentansa na bom nturu o Ghana Football Association a nkomo
em say me kan omo yini ya or say the team officials and player or say the okay I'm fan say or say team officials ni players no for various misconduct offenses na say the santansa na woka no e de abobo omo na em say me sure some de bone krono mu di ye no
abem say akoto omo mu inbox say bonus here before we ne beba omo the list ne beba see no ye send bibi ad ma
yeah
e ma hu say ni see na eko de nam so ama ye de sa asotwe na ma no ene bone a waye no na ye de ama entu hwema ye wo incident ni bi wo a me no wani masem there's apia makati di any red card on TV in Kofu but according to report no yes you no officiating official no na no edin pa
okay
biti say ayi Karela ene bofu game no sa match no ene ebo wi age se ne di police car efa bofu players no efi Tamale Sports Stadium
yes
e de omukoshi omo bass
me kai say video ni na issue no
ene eduana de no mo ni Olympics game na edu baby ni yetoto ni amabro Olympics for no eno so ye ba be show video no a ti ododo na eye animasem brebu akwa eze ase eye yi ba reporter referee ni official no MC ne de call ye no eno mo gina so ani edi roma ebo ama ne ma de da ye pretimi ye de mo nti sa prepare na mun community e di nim baby a luta wo be sha ase ufiwa na ma ba komia so me china so ama teni o big blue pa de magana but ende o mre kakra wo mu na krobia kumase asante koroko mo first rain no ne nkomo edidi echi ne sanctions a abane other news and the area ministry no so the crat aba on their course wo sunyan no ama ba be condemn Rishi coach Maso Kunadu speedy recovery
well abuyansan enche yetie for ne ahwefo ne yemo ha na ne nyina no me sha se every Black Stars na no nyame adom your first game World Cup qualifier yenya 3 points uchina against Comoros se no ma betimi akoyi Palma Ghana yetimanya gidie wo yetim no mu a kokko be sha se nyame pa china because e be ka se nka Comoros gone are the days anka open football nations ewo ha abibremu anka mo nka ho but ye just ended Nations Cup esi ye ena ye nim so far Ghana ye team no said the normal esi eko says so Ghana ye group e na ye group aya after first round of games no says so Comoros our 3 points because goal difference in a +2 or not Central African Republic born 4-2 ena wo Mali or no so tena fie e winning the game against Chad or so +3 points plus of 2 goals ena Ghana you win a game and they say Comoros were 3 Mali were 3 ena Ghana you were 3 say ene Ghana group no 2 games baso ne Cameroon ebo against Central African Republic ena opiem a Chad for no so ebo against Madagascar ena China Ghana so ebo against Comoros say between Ghana and Comoros no Comoros were 3 points plus of 2 goals Ghana were 3 points plus of 1 goal so if the Black Stars team no team keka no mabom na China team call na at 4 p.m. game no chance emra na we na Ghana team ko win wo ha advantage Ghana because wa kwa away akonya 3 points team na ononim goals to share because Ghana group na one team a o team share more goals or first round of matches no because no kwa team share 4 goals
ono share 4 na
Mali share 3 maybe I told Jamaica swat myself good and he said Ghana ekwa away Ghana winning home game and our qualifiers no so at least team konya 1 away win now team win home games nana e ball papa
akize Ghana dey win away match acho
ɛna meka sɛ team na sɛ despite sɛ na no ani gye bae second half ɔmo performance no resurrect yɛ epagya ne mu ɛsɔre yɛ eduru baabi hwɛ player wo sɛ go Nyaki Williams na obi afi sɛ baabi ofiri bae ne commitment wɔso de ama Black Stars na go drought wo wom go ntimi ma na at long last watimi ase go na ani gye no wɔsoro sɛ na no sɛ ɔhwɛ ba na bi a even a friend bi erezi ya say you win and approve the visa for 2026 and Crawford person ko America. It tells you how passionate Ghana for sir this particular World Cup qualifiers. And the Ghana win we are cha kwa so omusha se obabi Emma Ghana for yenye GDA bi wo ye team num se benye GDA bi wo ye team num a eno be away game a omba kwa akobo ene beto me GDA se oh ya World Cup qualifiers no kra no se GDA wo ye team num ball na no omba bon e bia normal ba ko me rubi ntina ankoye be se normal sha se de epic but nyesa na se bi na obo against 8 teams bi na se o so far uko share the likes of a category 8 teams na with the likes of Egypt mo Senegal mo eno so be dey obebre entini nyina no e wo se nim se psychological way omne boys ne be kasa amateur player yenim se ba Black Stars e chi wona e wo experience a wo de boa battlefleet na no game against ye ne Madagascar yenim se amateur no lake no makakra America to kredu ba bi na aye den amateur ne enim no
say what pra na afi no recover na wasan diaba
adiaba enti prana ase akoba no do se ebe ha adwene because beto aka sen kana no the telepathy among your center backs no kebia omohunu baako mistakes bi esi na no nkebia ekire omo san pair some mistakes nkebia emma but yenim se ntifu ni wa because kasim baaye no yehu de kakra ono dey obeye edbo mo bia hu se obaye no even the build up from the back no kwan ya de sesae uhwe passes said no see initiative passes se nyame boa na se kina omo team putu no ma together na at least omo win kura na so team konya draw e wa we a e betima aboa Black Stars
kina mrad na no Ghana pa na ebo
and na me kan ese go na the days in Kaba Africa Comoros here minus when it comes to football nations oh now say there you know Madagascar boa Erade Gio na akoda ne mpaebo those obi ahunbo obi aye investment on football no but omo mu ye investment on football mu no wo de na wo ye menu mi no nyina ti krom ha yenim sem wo sa ban ne de boa baby o sisika bi aba me de boy national team no omo de ba enti die na ye problem a omo ntimi mo ball no mfa maye is it said the collapse no omo nye the proper collapse mfa maye is it that the technical abilities in our form and answer the our form they should do something and they should convince us they should give us some morale ni you say World Cup qualifiers no ye gidi Ghana for mu they can qualify they can do something for us now no then they anya atwam dey nya 3 points emu ye den but away they should do something saha and na pressure wo mo so because of home fans no ya bam pressure the tom say what there supporters don't say ne die chire koye je Ghana fa ye pe bibia die wo mo bo bra Comoros ene ba be team na chi enya sa ye hemfo na kwata wo chi so omo relax na chi omo bibi maye ne hu se no ma nyina koye because betima qualify ma bia ye kama mami nwram wo nations ne kotoko asemwe akwese na ntikuru wa mi ayetu umia ne den so a eye oya kotoko nations ubakaya incident ne ba ya ena eye Dr. Kwame Che bae ebeka se kotoko any team boni o ma ye bia se bibi mpo ase no onu ankasa ebe repair onyi bibi mfra sante kotoko o kai sa statement no good but na ehwe ba bia ade ni fra eba sika ne mudu 80,000 800 million and no me dia bokotoko me no nyina edi one dance se no ma de ebi ko so no ma seseye nkonwa ne bi tutu ye ena empanyimfo ntimi fo mu tirim emetro me ka say ye estimation no sika say no say dabi me ogide so beba expert beba be survey beba be tell no ma ehun no ma assess ehun the cost of sa no ma na be mom this figure na ba but say so obi question obi say sika no Dr. Kwame Chebeje anas wonye because one mama tia say FN sika 80,000 nyina no e kwa German nations for no me say for them so be use some sika no dia repair ananya sa
sanity
and to be say Dr. Beka say no ma say ho no me de che kotoko e me dia enti say oba eja na agu sere so pepa ye ntwa ntontwene ti say me mamienu e di agro na sa sebe mfom so aba me ni bibia say me beje kotoko fodo an be case ba football ne de mra na ebo ba bia de na kofra ba de oblem doctor enye ye because a national league and yebo and we have the organizers your person sanity eba ye league num enti sa doctor and official complaint cry there match commissioner your observers after the game the report ekoye enti o say omu pay due to report na abano enti sa doctor na de cha ene ago prama and serve for only nations so it means serve for national purpose
yes
because in some games be a man FA Cup finals ebe koso yen games be on be bon ho and I say even say doctor in particular na say on one kasa ne property kura na yen timi nkase ye jam na say and ye jam na kosa ene omo feri de omo to momra ya adwuma omo si 80,000 I say wako court tram kwa court beti bebusa say asemo pa mo betimi akosia no makwa na mo de bibia de serede abeto court nanim ba court nya pass ne judgment e de ba de woni asembia efe ni dom decision aba omo judgment aba 80,000 or some de ba mutu awie na ne doctor beji sika no na obefa kuntuna se kire de abrama ka so mo ma me amenya ma ade na ba be ka se bia kotokofo kura tua ndi efe ndi so obi ntim ko ka se e na kotokoko nations omago prama so Kwame Chase Sports Complex eko to 2 plastic chairs ene na se for no DNC ye
na e ya luta minim de ye football na abam but as of late first nanke ye boy local derby now derby sine ye boa ya na efe ede akono but eze na na say ekodu be bia na ntokwa hwe no ade si sunyanze
this is the time say football no the quality of our game so abafom
sa
now me no ka se hwe gone are the days second fight san kotoko ebe she okrom a ukwa unya the beauty of the game a pitch na ankasa so satam nyesa na kwatwe ni ho na kwatwe no ho by then among the supporters of both clubs wesi ni pa kwada ha wesi ni pa you say but omo gina pitch no so a hwe the kind of footballer na omo eton de maye but an yakwa ebi ne yehunu ana ni nyina no ekobe say your supporters no ana amasa no mani nyina eba omo nka no kwanchire players no as the quality of play born modern bona perform they should say omo improve omo performance and omo jeju omo so abudia bi wodin and ya be fande na ba born wonya de entu onsena fa koda no konkonsa ene atenie e wo say ye kotoko or say heart of folk say nations ye bofa kwa ye win ye bo ankosa na ntawantawa ne enoma eni kwasesie na ekoso ene de sa no ma wonyina aba because first na nkam no nyina advocate say ankebenya sa traditional clubs no momra omoba e ma league no ye de and I be a class from the same town and even the same region omushia e ma league ye de enwa sugar e ma me report do be body commentary ba sugar can be say wo se Ghana football agu Ghana football nye de ya lack of attendance no send pa no sugar sauce hu adaya wase no abrasunya coronation park na betwa between bofakwa ni nso atreman betwa bofakwa eni nso atreman enro sugar say sunya coronation park babia boma ento to challenge mo bia say wa se Ghana football attendance no e wo form enkrofom pay local league no oboa adenti no kasa because of hweba bia nso atrewo hweba bia bofu bezi and we supporters aba look at the revenue. You see something. You see, say, when even there are some players within the locality, you name your home, no crop for Quatana, Chinabusia Beshe, and my dear de, a man yafe. Omo Badam na kama, a baby have caught Redanai. Dominic Cotato. Dominic Cotato. Now, ama, even the image of the league, the image of our football. Now, I say, Jensen Trophy, no, if you normally blame, no, and we say, Yan preaching the good word of our league. That's when Tessa. And to me, I'm no Cassandra supporters, no, and a club officials, they come. And I must have no money now, no menu, TBB. As a club, you can say Santo players. Open your proper public, no more couldn't come out. I catch Romo when you read Sobabo Cotocona. Pedaunsa, you chose Sikama, Akama, Nejatim Woko. No credit, no channel. Yes, it can crash down for. Yes, said down for idea. No credit, but a pinum Cassan, near the John. Oh, no, we bet admit sitting admit players, no performance, no form. I know your commentary, do by one kind of credit. Kotoko striker is sending team kwano to the boy.
Kalu.
Everybody, when you know how what can we do about callers and Casa Frey? Ekas near striker, Budebe, born and for your money to the air.
Striker would die or for Mala. But is that striker Budede said the Mawanas would now?
Dabi, your
Budelo or form.
Budano or form. Sasso two chief form.
Okay.
Oh, double. Debo, near Obiotifa, cause send me on a bosso. Sabu dia bi die ni bi no onya fufu a kaboso na mfifiri free no
it debo
what said them chero I don't know him anymore
as all good come on
and the kwaku ye besre your supporters no they should do admission e won no ma bi ho no me hu said the normal ekọ and said the normal eba na my club no hu because club bia our transition period club bia our rebuilding process Herbert Mensah days obai o ma kotoko supporters admit say kotoko team no babia du no also call for rebuilding ampa o preach ma omu di enti o team no e call for rebuilding omu ti aso omu support no team no wie rebuilding processes no obi hu the results are omu de mo but na there eh o say na nkoma ensem fata e koso akire minu hia wo say aden home no me fa na mesumba home na wo so afa ankobasa na said ntokwa ginjan na jabe ginam basa na enkomo bi wo ha e wo say third party na ye dey teye ni nyina ka na me league ni football no kwaku yenya de ye pass ye hu ne de ye pe no ye hu no wo mu no
very bad league ye bona matches bi wa beti Yakobu we
nanka
okay as in raw official officials
omu dimrika
we akra bu referee assessor
na PR okra jere de na
mesen ra sugar me report
PR agene de na referee assessor
I George MP ya bojo was
omabono
whatever but race be diko whatever
because so sha enra
because be say wo pata on the way city pata to kwala oh
says pata for dia ba
was enam ha
because tell sugar
awu
ye comment na game no ba na wie sugar so can say odru ba was referees na nyomu tie didim referee ko di game ni tin onya ni didim na de
video be referees ni dribi kasi
na o kasi omu dimrika ko ra dressing police for di omu chi di mrika na ko ra dressing room after no ma me report na odru ba oba can say looter yem fansia na no e ko form because baby adu no wan twa said the no me ko so na wu no ukoka wan twa ukra na being the commentator waso betima yehye ene he maxo kunadu akade na ekire ye league no ye nya normal fa ye nya sanity ye nya equality be biawom because ofra way waba home bofakwa
so oba home o agitate supporters
because bofakwa eye team season wey utwa home records are were very powerful on home but just pass one lusu but Maxwell nana way so far this na sadanya all the best but waba we no aba pick a point e chere say
Luther Hana referees in the dream ka call dressing room no ana referees no e dream ka call do try to credit have a referees need to make a quadre. Luther. And a please for the Diomachino. A Diomocono. Mirka. And a Masumuno.
Sompa Sports.
Mirkana supporters in the Sudia Guamoso. Now supporters in the Sudia Guamoso. Dear Sam Gray. You see, most of the time, I am a time who say BBC Kosovo. Some of these venues are the first thing that comes into my mind. They say referees don't be much more involved, especially with how our supporters in your bay. But I'm quite surprised. At the end of the day, no coaches, ya or moya masa anyoma we are part of coaches. He say coaches we so ani maybe an AOBB. Whatever may be the reason in Tia Mujina so, coach maso kuno do sano. You need to explain to all of us. Because maso kuno do na say coach no be na juma on the ball, on your foul. Maso kuno do any penalty. Maso kuno do defend you on your center back. Maso kuno do ne to one ne dey answer be the players no dey line up aye ato no dey akọ. Na ope coach so mo agitating nkofo pa wo stadium maso kuno do nkan. See a stadium ya bobo na coach agitating opponent supporters. Debi Maso kuno do very quiet, very calm and on pen wasem kwa Luther. So for them to meet Maso Kunadu, then omudu omunsabe kekano and someone yet tin say na nye on say o insake kakeka say yes so on tohe kakra ne so enye nu bia say lynching. That is the English word they gave to me. Say be nice omu nyina to agunu so abon aden oye referee and oba odi obi atem. You see, some of these things need to be monitored and need to be stopped. Omune Accra Heart of Lions. And Accra, one more question last minute go on.
Accra Lions.
Accra Lions. And also keke samba and piesa.
No, Lions keke carry no when they start ties for. Obviously, Tiazi did start ties. Babicha Fridays.
Babicha Kalu. Was this how much of a choke we will yield full circle to be? Was it police for the charge?
How dare that me entry ma
so what I say, and this you don't what bra son when your opportunity are or the about Premier League no then namu ye say aden ma braba league mo braba league ni nyina we na mo ba be and san kamuka division 1 ho akeye
that's a league no
Debbie, what is
because mimi di misika be room now ko we na say at the end of the day you say a bandit team no from home matches or kwa we supporters mu ni akiri ma ekeba say one so far
who ma dey am sasu e wo me mani hu abudi abi who say so atre dominated by Notness.
Yeah, all there
also so atre dominated by Notness.
Yes.
Now already there is no peace between both our supporters ni be supporters in any northern clubs and your supporters so
yes
it's most of the time number one match be an campo be an Notness ni be an out you be an Notness ni be ba be an you see no one can be tight sees one is what coming into this game about before draw mo ambo no kwam supporters ni di mo chi ni kwam ho ye shi dada na we asabesi
but say game we so atman supporters ko ye pa baru say yente say support bi ahwaka meaning
because on benya baby on say supporters am say di ko na
sentina America say so hwa akoye the man na we can about first na local derby ne na se for ho no the man ya akono ebi no say nsu atre no sunwan we bi ti nsu atre oye adwuma sunwan obi ti sunwan oye adwuma so oye omo ani ni mo ho
25 minutes
you see those within the locality omo ana akotwa mo
akomia bono ho no sa region obi saluta ye de on efi bono ho no de on say ze unu obi nya asema probably say man solve issue ni ebe trigger na ebi no so no the amaka zare say bunu nkro no omo bembem pa
yeah
we from maybe to say bechem to sunya edatia ufi bechem a on chekra no wura sunya nku from sunya to sunya edatia isuate to brekum edatia it is
from brekum to doma so edatia
pa brekum to drobo chetia pa it is all the way nya same thing wo east wo okobunu east from techima to nkranza Amazon drive
and na kra de eyabom
je na kintampo to nkranza to kintampo techima to kintampo ni nyina short yi this only way nya na only way we accept that na we aba be support we na be onsu atama so matches akese dodo na fibrikum na bewe o matches akese dodo na
bekumfo na wodo na
enu ti na ma teams ni bi wo mo advantage say so ono bo wo home a eti so bo ni fie no te say no ati so atama e de o support the draw abekosunya coronation park akwa SDC tie but omo we na issue omo solve it because nyesa
aboriten league
problem say de be ba no e wa me no pe me reporter me tie ni de me rerem ne nkomo na me tie no supporters in pitch na luto omo course no enye formation ekunadu formation ekunadu
na na for hot
omo so munya penalties miensa
yes
referee na nje me papa no man kobi but no am didi nkomo we chi
oh yes and the sugar crown no during commentary no kai
munya penalties miensa referee na nyere anje but no nche se famra ne shows so after the game no but for no san was second issue bi second issue is omo head coach any assistant coach in nka
okay from Pomanson
and it's a focus too and the issue that oh yeah me better say as if Pomanson resign it's a issue na and is omo bench wa assistant coach no ni nkomo man say bia we issue instruction be the assistant coach no say be on fan common players
okay
and no nanche da bia no on the say second assistant no
and di nkomo
and the assistant we no omo issue no nanche and the bofofo no say sa de no enye nsusuan so omo team no so is there be a wo fidie ma na bia fan say mpemfo we mu no omo bi no omo nka say bia we hu so ni we nka e ka obedwen so no na
mu di no nkomo
a creative problem ti abez the team no say safuka so ye na de wa ase a main coach so ye na de assistant coach so ye de na de ti after no game no mo yo wadwe say sa de a si enya referee say de ni bire ye de coach so per report I mean it is all transit because so mu say omo ankasa yi ene trigger
Maxwell ne oman kasa yi abu on say nipa bi say me no te won mi say no so obi be ka ade bi fa won say abu dia bi abefa ma ade abu dia bi adidi matema bebu say o kasa adidi atema bebu say say dia na aye na
ro na ne kra ko me say wo video ne wa no bi abase bi obeye wade a say e wa in Germany pa no
debi
boy so ye mema dia tonze ni pa na me ya wade
na ko number 2 obi be ka chem say abu dia bi akofa na ade bebu say abu dia bi ben unim ni ye said you only obi te no me because o ka che me say maso okonadu no be yi no be ya me maso okonadu na me nim no na me tie na
because me ba je
maso okonadu kura bibi a trigger no like
yente the narration na abuye ye no entina bofo fans na nka say sen komo coaches no enti ebia Maxwell enti say Maxwell kura be ka bibia obeka ni say o defend
oh yes Maxwell will say it in defending
from Pomanson because the playmate ni quality coach no
omunyina former
omunyina so e former
enti bia Maxwell be na say no me ntena ho ma ento from Pomanson aduma no ba be ye
that I would agree because ba kuma ase no be kai kotoko ni Lagos cities sa 3-1 bi no be share kotoko so omu game kotoko supporters bi dwane ade coach Maxwell kono do gina there was one particular lady in Lagos City team nim Oshada Bejina VIP wa na all your guests be said your new huru kotoko supporters no. Masokuna du kwa ofa so tia no kache ne se maame. Pebe bi gina no. Ansa no ba press conference we sa kache kotoko supporters ni media ne say. Coach no oya de mo ma ne mre kotoko adwuma na ye den. Edin. So Maxwell have no be defend you obi so abudia bi. You supposed to even have an issue with
because
that. Finally the krama ne say Maxwell nie. Feni die mano
but esa na edin bonin was that area on eya
broso omuntwa so abu mame ko Ivan Sado te asem no so media ma se den Ivan Sado te so omko ekobusa mo fa player na nkasa de ne fama me ade na player ne referee ne ye so abu just imagine say baba yara on the way security zone tie no ka fi say we a picture ebi e ban akakotoko supporters be dey
oba no akomia no credit ayenka mediema Ivan Augustine Adote the technical bench no any players no omuhia kasache
pa
Luther
pa
for be no totally indisciplined indiscipline you also need it get to a point say referee no crowd take decision me wronga me problem ne say referees no we ni party say ya obetimi ayem fonso but omo yem fonso a ya players ni control mo enra edu ba bi omo reserve bench aso omo ne assistant referee no wa
kepla blebe
bibia no makogu no so bibia no makoba
so that so we have to come on the pitch
Yes.
Na mo mediama. Tell me pe video ni ma me penalty no mo ti aso atreman no. Mo pe ma me.
Mediama fo nkoji penalty. We no the woman say. Mediama nkoji penalty. Enti team bia.
Dabi eye referee.
Energy penalty. But the woman say. Abu. Omuni omu players na nyede. Enkasa bi ko Africa. Ukọ be face challenges ah.
And your channel of communication.
Me wi ase am timichini na atwom.
Nyatwom.
Mimichini na atwom.
Nyatwom.
Enya na atwom not on your side. By na atwom mediama force.
E wo kwan be so. Kwan be so.
You see, in so no, say togu wade kom kakra bia anu ani age. What did them but that antangum na abofu. Mediama against Brekum Chelsea. If Brekum Chelsea were supposed to have acted the way Mediama acted na, omufisa nka ball no kebefe. Mediama against you atremai. Omufisa nka sa penalty ni ejiti enso atre no. Isu atremai no. Komo so acted the same way and obi yese ya kebe omode. Some of these things, you know, minim say see what matches referees make mistakes. But your reaction towards something against you are what benefited me a lot this particular season. Now person or chat said the yebu some year say ya. Then you're not setting a very good precedent.
No, but also the old canon. Mezu baby am me no nya adwene say. Same thing allows say ni yeso ya advice kotoko for so busumaro mo koda na di. E wo samates na enye. E ma enwe su kodi red card.
Good.
Entu bremu a, embremu mediama mo nje penalty.
Because me hanu dey make good. Because being a footballer, say even the bench in the crowd protest there.
So ni na komran besi ni na no, it's about reaction. Me say penalty na ye GTA so atre no.
No. Dabi no sa penalty no. Who awarded that penalty? Enti onu say referee na nyanka me dem for there no be ye.
Me say referee na ye dey.
Me ba akomia. Oda me ba uni e dey wo me say Ghana ye teams the problem are you facing. Errors. Ya dia yen so. Omu ye nipa te say Obia be te say Legon City. And now no mu complain bitterly. Say game no mo di 8 minutes net also. 8 minutes no mo bo 30 minutes. And am here say mami di nkomo. Na mi bisam de enti akokoko du sa. Da bia ref ball catch ye. Say the star football na ye no. So ye wadwen say wa ko bi om tu ye nya points be dila. Referee show 9 minutes. Now that from 5 minutes e be boss 5 minutes no. So chance for the chance get to your point. E be say the 9 minutes out so no. E propose say o mu player we are we bu ahwemapra. We are we bu ahwemapra. Me wa referee na stop on the watch no. And to no nsi abo no referee no afa na abo be 5 something on the watch too. And to we say referee aye SSU. But the same thing no sa no obi su be ba home. Aba be face the same problem be benefit no. So media ma issue na asi no. Me nkasa about referee ba ukoro ba be the one say. And this a wono kase. Omo na benefit intine. When omo ye indiscipline at condemn ye no.
And no make omo penalty. It's na me cite example say. Isu atreman call. Brilliant makobo ball no. Ye je penalty tia omo. Who say isu atreman for act BB?
Debi untimi act sir.
That is it. So you learn from those who even came to your venue. Even BB coach your man genuinely. They felt it no go well, but Oma acted. Yeah,
me say na me person kasa. But so kasa omo no ma benefit no nanchen.
And look at this here twemo. Ye twemo.
But the omo ye no e discipline at. Enyi so omo de ko bibia.
Ye twemo.
O ko ba Africa. Na bia abo na de lali.
Na o ko bia na nke ko, obi na nke ba o venue. Ana nka bia de esi wo ho bia ye nipa kro ya na nka nipa kro no toto ne sa say actisi akebe wo de.
Come here mate, o chine bi hia. Why? Ye me na emre na minim bi ti anwune wani abiri sei. Ye de mo apem ye ko. De akibi abeto aso etimi da mamo.
Opue ya wampuo ni kwao odi eniji eni nkwansha abrabo mu
Sompa Sports
nyamsumu ani daso edi eniji abro ni panyina Sompa ba ebesunima Sompa TV yabo Fatu Sompa TV na ya wani pama o na unu huarada ifisa gudie munsemo ubenya aberabo munsemo ubenya nyamsungu nsem ubenya anijie munsem ubenya enyumpa na ka ubenya. Yamaimu amanyosem ubenya. Sompa di bravo ubenya. Ubenya nina. Sompa TV.
Sompa Sports.
Sompa die. Ema kefiapa.
Die waguo no enoa na wutwa Sompa. Sompanie enyumunie, sompanie kasie bonie, sompanie osompapanie, sompanie radio nie. Yaba, Sompa 3.1 FM.
And asema me catch the one say onipa da se ni bie ni ho abesa brabose apem so akwa wieye na winsia opposition. Somebody will oppose you by all means. My brother, my sister, take it from me today. By all means. Wasori mu, wadwuma mu, wabusua mu, waware mu, there will be opposition. Oba okwa wade enya wadwene se ukuru fiefu nyina abepo asem. It will never happen.
Sompa. Yenina yetie Sompa.
We just want to enter into a short time of worship as we lift this place. We just want to lift this atmosphere and take this atmosphere with us. We just want to go on and worship the name of the Lord. Somebody lift your hands into the heavens and say, God, I love you. Me jifokese Buho Yehuda Wonkwana mitri Kausiarie Every side Woyada Ibiareniwa Yesu Ebetiti endo imo Urinta wonko na wonda Wonsesarada Inti chiwayo Lift up your hands and be on your feet. Let's worship the name of the Lord.